Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. A 54-year-old contractor from Greater Portmore has been slain in the middle of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Greater Portmore, Jamaica. A building contractor was shot dead by an unknown assailant. 5 East Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, on Saturday, October 15th. He has been identified as 54-year-old Garfield Jones, who was building a condominium for the Cumberland Meadows, Portmore, in St. Catherine. Reports from the Portmore police are that about 2:30 p.m. Jones was driving his Nissan AD Wagon motor vehicle with a passenger on board when they were pounced upon with 2 gunmen traveling on foot who opened fire, hitting Jones. The police were alerted. The injured man was taken to the hospital. But you know, said they jump out because Jamaican don't shoot and miss. They were pronounced dead. The passenger escaped the attack because I never them come for. It's a sad, sad day again when a hard-working man there work and the yard man just done him. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV, asking you what can we do about these senseless killings. Miggle Day, Greater Portmore. Garfield Jones won't come home. St. Catherine no good again. Subscribe, like, and share to a friend. I'm more life and I'm more joy. I'm more in happiness. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, Deep Roots TV, Jamaica's finest.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep